My name is William Soeters. I'm a project manager here at Mammoet. The AL600 girder frame is a girder frame designed to carry 600 tons. The loading area at the Hitachi factory have a quite narrow entrance. You need to keep in mind the height of the transformer, the width and everything. So if we had to enter it with the girder frame on the 2x19 axle lines, it was too tight to make corners and everything. So therefore we came up with another solution to place the girder frame on 2x14 axle line SPMT, so we could make more tight corners and steering and able to load inside.
I det här projektet och GZ800 så levererar vi ju transformatorer till världens största projekt för HVDC-VC-teknik, den nyare moderna HVDC-tekniken. Där är 800 kilovolt och 8 gigawatt effekt som ska överföras från nordvästra Kina till östra då, där konsumenterna finns. Över 2300 kilometer lång är den här kraftlänken. Och en stor del av poängen är egentligen att ha förnybar energi genererad av solkraft och vind i ökenområden då till östra Kina till konsumenterna.
Det här är en helt unik transport. Det är den största och tyngsta enheten som vi har producerat här i Ludvika och som kommer att gå ut härifrån Ludvika till svensk hamn för vidare transport till Shanghai och Kina. Jag är otroligt stolt över att vi har fått ihop det här. Det är ett världsrekord. Inte bara i kapacitet av enheter men också i transport. Det är fantastiskt att vi har lyckats och att vi står här idag och snart ska se den här rulla iväg.
Maersk Project Logistics' role in this project has been to provide Hitachi Energy with an end-to-end logistics solution for the transport of this transformer and its accessories. This includes transport from Ludvika all the way up to Shanghai port. So what makes this project unique and challenging? Well, I would say, first of all, it's a very heavy transformer. It's probably one of the heaviest ever to be transported in Sweden. Secondly, we have a very challenging road from Ludvika down to the port of Köping. And of course, when it comes to the equipment itself, we're using a girder bridge and a girder frame setup, which involves several challenging operational elements.
Most challenging part, I think the transport itself, because the frame itself is quite big. The combination in total was 100 meters long, and you drive over really small roads, through forests everywhere. At the end of the last trailer, basically, we have a cabin on top of the trailer, and from that cabin we can control the girder frame, but also the trailers. And during the transport we had also one of our supervisors on the first trailer who could operate that trailer and that side of the girder frame as well. So they were in close contact with each other to see from, okay, you need to raise it a little bit or lower it. And with the team we did a good job. We had a mixed crew from different entities within Mammoet Europe. The guys managed to get it in one piece there, so perfect. At the Coping port, we had to reload the transformer from the girder frame. Then we drove on board of the Meerjauga. That was sailing to Norrköping with our trailers on board. By arrival in Norrköping, we drove the transformer off the vessel, put it in storage, and then we have to wait 2-3 weeks before we have to pick it up again